Good evening. Welcome to another episode of Rock On Trash. Today we'll be making an artisan shelf. These little terrors will be helping. C16 wood, lovely grains and knots. 150 mil that way, some sort of mil that way. So, the exact measurement I need is 49 inches. Can you see? Yes, give me a thumbs up. What is this? Chuck it away. You're a real man now. You're a Hulk. Come on, Hulks, don't go on like that. Have a pencil. Yep. And do a Hulk line. Down there. Yeah. He's did the best line in the world. Did you see it? So now we cut the wood. The blade is not long enough, so we adjust the blade. That should do it. That'll do, as you can see. A beautiful cut. Apart from this, we shall sort him out, kill him, snap his little legs off, and throw him in the sea. You'll rot, and all the fishies will eat you. Goodbye, little piece of wood. So now, we are going to make it waterproof and give it some character. Because you know, the accentuate the knots. And little Hulkman is going to get the fire and make it go and turn a different colour. Press the button. Excellent job. Give me a high five. Yeah. Who's next? Up next is this little lady. You turn the nozzle. No, you turn it. Anti-clockwise. Press the red button. Now you suffer. 2 hands. Excellent job. High five. So now they know how to burn the wood. I'll burn the rest of the wood. See, looks great. So beautiful. Then the next task is to put it on the wall. But we'll get the English Wikitash to do that tomorrow. And you'll see how great it looks. Leave a comment, leave a like. Or don't leave a like. If you don't like it, tell me how it looks. Go on, it's just down there. Type. Come on, type to me. Oi! I told you to come back here. What are you doing? No. It's not what it looks like. The kids weren't here. I was just doing something with woods. Kids? The kids were here. I leave. I leave. I won't come back ever. You're too right on me coming back. So I'll get you with them. That's not bad, actually. Let's continue with the job. The way to get these lined up, I find, is grab another piece of wood that you know is particularly straight, put it up against there, have an equal distance either side so it looks nice. With, in this case, 11 inches with a default tape measure. Just mark up, put them in. I know these shelf brackets aren't the best, but that's all I've got at the minute. Couple of little pilot holes. Ball bags. I'm going to put these here. So where the wire's coming through, I've painted it and it's wet. And I want to protect this wood. It's pretty. Very pretty. I am putting this in upside down because I want these to be hidden. I want them down here. I'm going to paint them as well. I don't know how you hang shelves. This is how I hang shelves. So I've already marked up the centre for that and where I want it. it roughly there. Oh, the screw is my assistant. Get me level on. Bullseye. There we have it. Artisan shelf, even if it was half made by an imposter. And who was he? Better not come back late. But anyway, that's it. It was only to hold the soundbar, so we're a nice deep bass. Well, if you made it this far, you may as well subscribe, hadn't you? I produce a lot of crap. It's all trash. It's all in the name. So if you want to see more, just press that button, leave a comment. It's just down there. Type away, see what you want. I don't care. I might reply, I might not. You just do what you need to do. Enjoy your day.